car needs a lot of mods, bro. Like, I know it was constant stock as hell. I'm like, no, one. We need to level the suspension out. We need to get it straight. Like, even if he did a VALTRONIC exhaust, he could have stock, but then open up the valves.
It's called the smell of freedom. That's what eagles smell like. When eagles fart, American eagles, they smell just like that. No, just straight all the way down. If you want, I'm gonna send you the address. Or all right.
Yeah. I like it, Miguel. Your driving habits have improved. Have gotten better, not improved.
The thing is, I've always driven like that. I was trying not to break it because I had just finished.
I know that.
I did a lot of work to it, so I was like,